Hi everyone, and welcome to Bumby. Today I have for you a jewelry holder, more like these types of bracelets. I'm going to be creating this with all Dollar Tree items, and the reason for that is those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I have a huge walk-in closet that was built when I moved here, and it's very narrow. And I don't know, I decided to put my vanity in there and make like a she shed, and it just never did work for me. Never able to really sit in the vanity and get ready inside the closet. So just recently I brought out the vanity from the closet, and I'm really enjoying sitting there in my room and getting ready every day. So I want to make that area there like really comfortable for me to get ready. You guys know that I love jewelry and I wear jewelry every day, but I just kind of want to do like a holder for like my everyday jewelry that I wear. Because guys, I have lots of jewelry. I'll show you that when we get to doing the closet in those areas. But I had gotten this thrift store, and it's pretty tall, as you can see, but it's just not working for me. Because if I want to take out this bracelet, I need to take this one out first, so I can be able to take this one out. And it's just, I don't know, it's just not working for me. And yeah, I'm just not happy with this holder. Plus, it's a little big for the area that I want to use it. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to create my own, and let's see if it turns out. So join me in seeing if I can create something that's more functional for me. Okay, so the items that I plan to use for this project is this little Dollar Tree little box. I plan to use this as my base. I plan to use 2 Dollar Tree wood rolling pins, and I plan to use these white hooks. Let me see if you can see that. And then I plan to use you can use E6000. I'm not an E6000 fan. I think actually the Dollar Tree Fix-It-All adhesive works much better, so some of that. And then paint of your choice. I'm going to be painting my wood rolling pins in a white color. And also I'm going to be using a burlap ribbon that I didn't bring here, just to give it a little touch to kind of match the other sets that I will be making for my vanity to make it more comfortable for me. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start painting these rolling pins. Now I'm going to just let them dry, and I'll be back. So guys, as I was painting these, and I only did one coat because it's fine. It looks like a rustic whitish color. That's fine with me. I wasn't sure if I was going to like these. If you remember, I just did a farmhouse Dollar Tree picture frame, and I had some tumbling tower blocks left over from that project, and I'll link that card up on top, whoever hasn't seen that picture frame and is interested in seeing how you can make a simple farmhouse picture for your kitchen or dining room. So I had some of these blocks left over, as you can see, and I started painting them white. So I think I might want to use this instead, just because I'm not sure And then I guess once I start assembling, then I'll decide if I'm going to use these or I'm going to use these white hooks. Okay, so I'm just going to get busy here, and I'm going to paint these blocks in white. Okay, so my idea of what I have here in mind is using this as my base, putting one stick like this and then another one like this. So, okay, that's my idea. So, but because I'm making a lot of different organizers for my vanity area, I'm going to use this on the top one as a decor. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that. Let me measure exactly where is the middle here. Okay, so this is exactly 12. This would be the middle, which is 6. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a piece of ribbon to here to the middle. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down. At the same time, I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to fold here the edging so I get a nice clean finish. Like so. See. Okay, so I'm going to add glue here. A little bit of hot glue here to help it glue faster. Okay, I'm just going to kind of look for the center. And I'm just going to hold in place. Okay. So next, what I want to do is I want to glue this part here. So I'm going to add some of this glue. And a little bit of the hot glue as well. And then I'm going to glue it on top. And I'm going to hold. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. So now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these tumbling tower game in different sections of this stick. So then I can put like my hoop earrings. So let me go ahead and kind of play with it and glue those pieces down. Okay, so I should wait till it dries. But this is going to give me an idea of how to add the other little blocks. Like, see, put my hoop earrings. So I think right here should be good. Okay, so here it is, all finished and loaded up with my everyday jewelry that I use. So I use these gold and silver bracelets a lot. I like both silver and gold. I don't have a favorite. Here are my hoop earrings. And then my favorite bracelets that I wear a lot. And back here, if you see, I was able to add some rings as well. So yeah, that turned out perfect for me. It's not as big as the other one. And then this caddy here for perfumes, I actually made this using Dollar Tree items as well. I used this piece here and I just put the ribbon and rope. That's why I wanted to add this ribbon to make it match this set. And then I have a divider in the middle to make it higher. And then this one, a makeup caddy on top. So yeah, that's going to work out just perfect for me. And now I'm going to make some other ones as the days go by so I can finish my vanity area and we can organize it. Do a Fly Lady cleaning and decluttering video for the vanity. Well guys, let me know in the comments below what you thought of my jewelry holder. I thought that I just made it custom for me in the things that I use on a daily basis. And I love it that it's so much smaller than the other one. And you know what? Those wires got tangled with my jewelry and they really frustrated me. So I'm glad that I did pick the wood pieces versus those little hooks that I was going to use. So yeah, I'm glad I did that because I think it looks much cuter with the wood pieces. Guys, help out my channel. Don't forget to click that like button. Let's see if I can get this video up to 100 likes. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because we will be doing many more DIYs. Thanks, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.